This video will describe the Compare Stocks page. In the Simply Investing platform, there are 5 types of subscriptions available to you. This video will use the US and Canadian account to demonstrate the Compare Stocks page. On this page, you can compare stocks side by side. However, you're only allowed to compare a maximum of 25 stocks at a time. With this account, you can select from both countries, but you are only allowed to compare stocks within the same country, which means you cannot select a US stock and a Canadian stock at the same time to compare. If you purchased the individual country subscription, then you will only have access to one country. As an example, let's compare 2 US companies, Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Step 1. Select US stocks. Step 2. I will enter Coca-Cola. Select the company. Then I will enter the stock symbol for Pepsi. Select the company. I will also go ahead and add Walmart to the list. And select the company again. From here, you can review your list of companies. And if you change your mind, you can remove any company from the list. I will go ahead and unselect Walmart. Step 3, click on the Compare button. In the table, you can now compare both stocks side by side. You can see that Coca-Cola gets a 5 out of 10 in the SI criteria, and Pepsi gets a 4 out of 10 in the SI criteria. On any stock table on this site, you can always click on a company name to see the company's stock data page. On this page, you will find more details about the stock, a company description, see the stock graph, and view the company's historical data. The question marks located here will show you the rule definition for each of the SI criteria. And any value that fails a rule will be shown in bold, and its cell will also be highlighted. The Simply Investing platform provides you with the ability to customize exactly how you would like to see the data. You can hide any column by clicking on the red X here. You can sort columns from high to low or from low to high by clicking on the arrow here. You can also drag and drop columns into different locations. To make more room on the screen, you can also minimize the side menu by clicking here, and you can collapse the description box by clicking here. By default, this table is only showing 19 columns. However, you can click on Filters to display and filter on more than 120 different columns. And you can filter even further on each individual column. You can also save your favorite filters and table views for later use. Any changes you make here are only applied to the current table. You can always click here on Restore Default View to restore the table back to its default view. Click here to view the 12 rules of Simply Investing and the SI criteria. For more questions and answers, have a look at the FAQ section located here.